Imagine a life free from the chains of heart medications. Sounds impossible, right? Now, what if I told you it's not only possible but achievable with the right knowledge and approach? So stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a game changing strategy that could transform your heart health forever. As your clinician, today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart quite literally. If you're battling heart disease or have survived a heart attack, you're probably all too familiar with the cocktail of medications you've been prescribed. But what if there was another way? Now, before we go any further, I need you to pay close attention. The information I'm about to share could be the key to reclaiming your health and freedom. But remember, time is of the essence. The longer you're on these medications, the harder it can be to make changes. So if you're ready to take control of your heart health, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So let's talk about the medications you're likely taking. 1. Antiplatelet agents. You're taking these to actually prevent blood clots, right? But did you know that nature has its own blood thinners? Garlic, ginger, and omega-3s can work wonders here. And let's not forget about taurine, a powerhouse amino acid that's often overlooked. 2. Beta blockers. These slow down your heart rate, but at what cost? Natural alternatives like hawthorn and coenzyme Q10 can support your heart without the side effects. And here's a secret. Magnesium is a natural calcium channel blocker that can help regulate your heart rhythm. 3. ACE inhibitors. These are supposed to relax your blood vessels, but so can garlic, fish oil, and hibiscus tea. Plus, they come with a host of other health benefits. 4. Statins, the controversial cholesterol-lowering medications. But what if I told you berberine, red yeast rice, and niacin could help manage your cholesterol naturally? And don't get me started on the power of bergamot. 5. Nitrates. Now these dilate your blood vessels, but so does beetroot extract. It's nature's nitrate supplement, and it comes with a bonus. It may boost your exercise performance too. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually make the switch? Well, that's where it gets interesting. You see, there's a specific protocol to wean off medications safely, and it all starts with understanding your biomarkers. So let's take a blood pressure medication as an example. Before you even think about reducing your dose, you need to check specific biomarkers. We're talking CBC, CMP, free T3, HbA1c, vitamin D, RBC electrolytes, homocysteine, renin, aldosterone, uric acid, and hsCRP. Why? Because these levels can go haywire when you're on blood pressure medications. So let's take a common blood pressure medication as an example, metoprolol, often prescribed at 50 milligrams twice daily. Now, before you even think about reducing your dose, you need to check those crucial biomarkers we mentioned earlier. Now, assuming your biomarkers are stable, here's a more detailed look at the weaning protocol. So weeks 1 to 2, maintain your current dose of 50 milligrams twice daily while implementing lifestyle changes and introducing supplements like 200 milligrams of magnesium every 4 hours, 3,000 milligrams of taurine with magnesium every 4 hours, 500 milligrams of hawthorn extract, and 300 milligrams of ubiquinol coenzyme Q10 daily. From weeks 3 to 4, if your blood pressure remains stable, reduce your metoprolol dose to 37.5 milligram twice daily. That's a 25% reduction. And continue with the supplementation. Weeks 5 to 6, continue with the reduced dose of 37.5 milligrams twice daily and monitor closely. Week 7 to 8, if all is well, reduce to 25 milligrams twice daily. Now you're at 50% of original dose. Now weeks 9 to 12, maintain 25 milligrams twice daily. Continue monitoring and taking supplements. Weeks 13 to 16, if stable, reduce to 12.5 milligrams twice daily. Now you're 25% of the original dose. On weeks 17 to 20, maintain 12.5 milligrams twice daily and monitor very closely. From weeks 21 to 24, if stable, consider complete cessation under close medical supervision. But here's where it gets really exciting. While you're reducing your metoprolol, you're simultaneously saturating your body with those natural supplements. By the time you're down to 12.5 milligrams twice daily, your body might be getting all it needs from the magnesium, taurine, hawthorne, and coenzyme Q10. It's like a beautiful choreographed dance between pharmaceuticals and nature. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what if my blood pressure spikes during this process? And that's a great question. That's why we keep a close eye on your numbers throughout. And if you see a consistent rise in blood pressure, don't panic. This is where those nitrate supplement comes in hand. A quick 500 milligram dose of beetroot extract 25% can actually help dilate your blood vessels and bring that pressure down naturally. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a medication-free life? Here's what I want you to do right now. 1. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. You don't want to miss our deep dives into each of these medications and their natural alternatives. 2. Share this video with someone you know who's struggling with heart disease. You could be giving them the key to a healthier future. 3. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Remember, your heart health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right knowledge and support, you can cross that finish line medication free. So until next time, keep your heart strong and your mind open. This is Maurice, your clinician, signing off.